Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is going to be Saturday night. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. And we got another special unboxing to do today. This is a really cool item. You guys can get one at a low cost. All you got to do is click on the link down below. It is an Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys can get one at a low cost. Just check them out. And we'll see what's inside. There we go. One more open. Oh boy. There we go. One more side to go. And here we go. Put the box down now. And we got one of these. MeshForce whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. Model M1. This is the 3-pack. You got a single ones you can buy separate for your business, for your home. It'll help speed up your Wi-Fi. You'll have it in your bedroom, your basement. I'm definitely gonna have one set up down there once I get these things running. You can use your mobile phone, and I'll show you how to do that once we see what's inside of these guys. All that good stuff. So this will be a nice Christmas gift for somebody. A housewarming gift. There we go. Either on the Apple Store or the Google Play. You can search for it. And they got a QR code you gotta have to scan. So I got one of these. Model M1. Here's what's in the box. There you go. And like I said, the bedrooms. The whole home Wi-Fi. Really nice. Boost it up. And I got a decent router right now. Just basic from WOW. A cable company out here. And we got the 3-pack. We got the manual, quick start guide. And the QR code is going to be there. It's called MeshForce. You can Google it. Look at that right there. Easy peasy to set up. That's what we're about to do. So we're going to take out these. This one. The main unit. There we go. Bada boom. You got the LAN, Ethernet, power, reset button. It's lightweight, so definitely nice to have. MeshForce. So we got one tool and 3. I'm going to set up one for now and figure out where to put the rest throughout the house. Definitely downstairs in the basement. Maybe my kitchen area. Oh, come on. Get out. There we go. There's a second. And the third. MeshForce. Really cool. Definitely help any kids out. See if they're gaming rooms down in the basement. That'll help you guys out for streaming, watching Netflix, the NFL Network, Amazon Prime videos. Really good to have those. One of these. MeshForce. And what else they got? Oh, look at that. There's a Ethernet cable or LAN cable. Either or. And we got one power supply. Oops, sorry about that. Keep your elbow smash. MeshForce to the rescue. And we got the 2 to the 3 and breathe. So I'm gonna switch you guys over to PC. I gotta go to the router route and plug these in. Give it a little test run. I'm gonna download the app Actually, I should probably download the app first. It's gonna ask you for passwords, all that good stuff. Alright, yeah, we could do the download. I got enough juice right now, so I'm gonna quick scan the QR code instead of typing in. It's easier doing the QR sometimes. Lightning fast. Hopefully it's lightning fast today. Oh, open link. See, it's gonna pop up that arrow down my mesh. Download it, and it's gotta hit open link. It should take me to my yeah. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Tell me. Okay, let's rescan. Sorry about that. Okay, open link. Retry. Back. Open. Retry. And I'm gonna have to do it the normal. So search in the Google Play Store, my mesh. Okay, so we're gonna type it in. For some reason, I'm gonna go like this. My mesh. Ah, there she is, right down at the bottom. That's what it looks like. Yep. Is it the install? Do. And by the time that gets downloaded, I could install one of these. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, I got this somewhat positioned, but this is not gonna be the permanent home for this one, so definitely excited. It's running. I already got my backup phone running it. Got to plug the Ethernet cable right here into the LAN, I do believe, if I can see it. That one. Yeah. And I got my router, or my main unit right here. And gotta plug it in the back. Down the back and run it. Come on, get in your hole. There we go. We got Cheerio right there. It's gonna register in a few seconds. And then I'm gonna look on the phone. See what the next step. See right there, it's gonna be coming up my MeshForce. That's what we want to select. Where'd it go? Here she is. See, it's gonna say that. And then yeah, it's a password. Check the label at the bottom of the device. Okay, well, I'm gonna pause you guys. Alright, give me a second. Now it is connected. So my phone's running off the my mesh. And then we're gonna go back out. Okay. Wow. Alrighty, now I disconnected it from the Ethernet. It is working smooth. I'll be able to go on my Netflix, my Hulu, WWE network, watch everything running a lot smoother right now. Definitely an exciting time to be alive. I'm telling you, this technology out here is amazing. You guys can get one at low cost, the MeshForce system. Easy to set up, and this is what the app kind of looks like right here. There you go, my mesh. And then once it does a Wi-Fi networks, oops. And my notifications, I'm going to enable. There we go. And then it'll pop up if anything changes. Clear cat cleared about us. Official. So like I said, pretty smooth. Oh, hold on 1 sec. Like I said, it's pretty smooth. Once you get it running, you'll have a lot better service with your streaming devices, your TV, your smart TVs. If you have your PC on Wi-Fi, you can hook that up downstairs. You have no problems at all. So like I said, I got 3 of them. I'm going to mess around with them and try to figure out where I'm going to put them. So you guys could get one at low cost. MeshForce. The future is here. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night and see ya.